For two-point interior perspectives, the process is pretty similar, but in this case, in plan, say this is our room, and I'm standing in the room here, and I'm looking at the interior corner. So because this corner is where we're starting from, the starting point, we're going to draw that vertical line, just like the exterior perspectives that we've done so far, and we're going to find the horizon line. Now you can use the trick where you hold out your arm straight out in front of you at eye level line, and you hold your pen just like this in a horizontal way, and see where it pins the horizon line on this back corner. That should give you a rough idea of your eye level line. You can also look for clues, doorways, or if you know approximately the height of the room, and if this is 12 feet, 6 feet is half, but you want to come down to about 5 feet for your horizon line. So this is our horizon line. I'm going to go ahead and really lightly draw that in. So this is the construction process. And then you also know that you're going to be drawing where these walls meet the ceiling and meet the floor. So we're looking for lines that converge to a vanishing point, and they're actually going to cross each other, so it's a little bit different than the exterior. So you basically have to use your observational skills to figure out, okay, what is the approximate angle that is happening here at the ceiling line, at the floor line. You can use your pen to help you do that. Close one eye, hold it up in the space, and try to translate that to your paper. Use the top and the bottom of your back corner line to help you. That's your starting point. So if I know my roof or my ceiling line looks about like this, and I can constantly look back at the space to my paper and back again. It's a process. And then I'm going to project that line, straight line, down to my horizon line, and that's going to give me my first vanishing point. And what that means is I'm using the same point to connect through the bottom of that back wall line and bring it out. Now, if you're finding this doesn't look right, look back at your space. If the angle isn't quite right, then just try again. You're drawing really light, you can give it another go. Maybe this angle is too much, and so you need to come back more like this, and then find your vanishing point that way. So adjust as you go, and that'll make your drawing more accurate. But for now, we're going to stick with these lines that I've drawn for my wall that's on this side. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. So I'm going to make this angle, say it looks a little less of an angle, and then project that all the way down. Now notice it's going, I'm just continuing my straight line, but look, I need to extend my horizon line to find that second vanishing point. So this is VP1, VP2, and then from that corner again, it's going to connect back to the vanishing point, and then I'm going to continue it through that corner to find the other side. So see how the converging lines are crossing, and that's what gives me the space that I'm working with here. So this is the ceiling above, this is the wall on the left, and this is the wall on the right. And then using these vanishing points that are established now, you can start to add in other things. So if there is a row of windows here, use this line, this corner line, to figure out how high it is. So you're going to decide, okay, is it about 3 feet down maybe? And then connect that back to your vanishing point and project it through on the wall. So we know that would be the height of the windows. And then your vertical lines, of the window are going to remain vertical. That's always true. And then let's project it down a little further. Let's try to find the bottom of the window. So say it's, roughly 2 or 3 feet from the floor. I'm going to go back and then come out. Okay, and then that's the bottom of the window. So the vanishing point is going to be used to find all the elements, everything that is within